Here I have Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English. Then tap Start. Then select your country. Could be Czech Republic or Denmark, okay. Tap Next. Then you can connect the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but you can also skip this step for now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network, so you can just skip this step and do this later. Then disable this feature, agree and accept terms of use and privacy policy, tap Next. Then disable all Google services, tap Accept. Then you can set up lock screen, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings. Then you can get to know with these informations. And your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.